Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Fetch.ai is a creative stage that associates Web of Things gadgets and calculations for aggregate learning. It is based on a high-throughput shared record. The engineering of fetch.ai conveys one-of-a-kind savvy contract capacity that can send AI or man-made brainpower arrangements, which helps in decentralized critical thinking. Here we will talk about the itemized outline of the fetch.ai cost forecast. Open source instruments given by the fetch.ai stage permit clients to make a sorted biological system foundation and convey new ad models. Fetch.ai incorporates a global group of architects chipping away at the combination of blockchain, man-made reasoning, and multi-specialist frameworks. It deals with an exceptionally versatile cutting-edge disseminated record innovation and joins AI. The environment of open access tokenized decentralized AI networks for Shrewd Foundation incorporates multi-specialist frameworks, AI, and cryptography to work with a decentralized computerized economy. Fetch.ai was established in 2017 with a group of specialists, including Humayun Sheikh, the CEO and prime supporter of the undertaking, and Toby Simpson, Thomas Hayne, and Jonathan Ward. The organization's fundamental accomplices incorporate Bosch, German assembling, and innovation work with Fetch.ai to send off a completely practical blockchain network v2.0 mainnet. Fesco Group joined forces with Fetch.ai to send off a decentralized assembling commercial center. Katina X, Inventive Telecom Labs, Fireblocks, Yoti, and so forth, are other primary accomplices of the environment. Fetch.ai has gotten together with OpenDAO and OCP. The holders of Photon and Smart Chain can utilize them for marking and the trading of Omnic token, minting used O stablecoin. Uniqueness and use cases of Fetch.ai. It is essential to know how clients perform errands on a site. What are the utilization cases? Through smart information sharing and man-made consciousness, Fetch.ai attempts to take care of the ordinary issues of organizations that utilization ML and AI. With the assistance of purpose cases, it assists with working on the productivity through streamlining of existing frameworks. Independent AI travel agents. They assist with laying out an immediate association among buyer and supplier, in this way limiting the expense of delegates, which lessens the job of brought together aggregators and administrations. Power AI travel planners that associate the client straightforwardly with the supplier guarantee security, better worth, and customized insight. Clients can move the essential information required for appointments straightforwardly with the lodging or supplier. There is compelling reason need to enter that in an outsider site. This likewise evades stowed away charges or installments emerging from the side of the outsider site. Fetch.ai helps the client for a tremendous expense decrease, efficient, keeping protection with delicate information. Conveyance agents. A decentralized conveyance organization, DDN, gives foundation to conveying bundles, pizza across the globe. DDN was laid out because of 2 years of difficult work from Fetch.ai to interface the production network organization, specialists, independent vehicles, conveyance organization, and UK train framework. Making and exploring different avenues regarding solid organizations and exploring different avenues regarding the arrangement of multi-specialists frameworks was a difficulty for the organization. Brilliant Cities field trial. With the assistance of multi-specialist blockchain-based AI digitization administrations, Fetch.ai gives portability answers for land properties. The AI assists with advising accessible parking garages, compute the stopping charge and help for the simple exchange of stopping expense. Subsequently, clients can abstain from looking for a parking area, holding up time on taking stopping tokens, and deferral with installments. Specialized analysis of FIT token. The specialized investigation of the Fetch.ai coin on the day-to-day diagram assigns the ongoing cost of FIT $0.3137 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $29,857,438.92 across significant stages. Fetch.ai has an all-out market cap of $236,209,130.26 with a flowing inventory of 746,113,681 fetch The above graph shows the pattern line of the diminishing cost. Assuming that the cost actually falls, the prompt help is $0.249 and significant help is $0.172. Fetch.ai cost has contacted an unsurpassed high of $1.19 on September 8, 2021, the day after which most digital money and altcoin crashed because of the declaration of Bitcoin as a legitimate delegate in El Salvador. After the greatest cost, the coin exchanged negatively, and the FUD cost hung in a 50 cents to $1 territory with a normal of 65 cents more often than not with moderately low volume. Since the cost hanging inside the equal reach, backing and obstruction are put extremely close by. A quick obstruction level is $0.376. FUD has tried this opposition level for 3 exchanging meetings. Crossing this obstruction level can bring it into the following opposition level set at $0.433, which is urgent for FUD to escape from sideways development. It is a critical opposition level that can take the FUD cost to cross the most elevated levels. Prompt help is set at $0.287. Any fall underneath this will wind up Fetch.ai at $0.249. The significant help is put at the degree of $0.198. Specialized markers on graph, Relative Strength Index, RSI, is around 35.43. MACD line is underneath the sign line. The typical directional list is in a non-partisan bearing. It could go up. The 3 critical markers are somewhat bullish, not showing any signs of a prompt fall. The last 7-day stretch of October 2021 has seen an upswing till 99 cents neglected to cross $1. However, the principal 7-day stretch of November 2021 shows a blended pattern and with marginally bullish markers. Momentary financial backers and merchants can investigate an open door by making a speculation on a plunge. Analyzing a portion of the extra specialized pointers, FUD cost is beneath its 20 EMA, 50 EMA, and 200 EMA. On balance volume, OBV, is showing a decent sign, and the fear and greed, F&G, pointers around 46, and that implies the brokers and financial backers of FUD are sure. Nonetheless, it is recognizable in the diagram that, in the vast majority of the everyday exchanging meetings, the wick of the flame is enormous and the body is little. There isn't a lot of distinction between opening cost and shutting cost for a day, and that implies FUD is exceptionally unstable on single exchanging meetings. Yet, according to our gauge, dealers can search for a productive exchange with these developments. Fetch.ai Price Prediction 2022